Hi guys, so I have another swap review, and this one is from my dear Lacy, who is the cheeky bum. I'm sure all of you know her. And I want to make sure that I do this right. Look at how cute her package is. So it came with a whole bunch of stuff, but some of it is stuff that that's not part of this swap. So I'm going to make sure, but look how she tied this up so cute right here with this little like cherry thing. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. And it's just like a hair thing too. She made it so easy. So I just open it up and unclip it. Now, I don't know. And it's like glued on here. I don't know. I'm going to like read, what she said. I'm gonna read what she said. Look how cute it is! You guys, look how cute. I'm imagining that this is her swap. And that the other stuff in there is for other things. And I don't know. I think there's a card probably somewhere. Let us find out together. Let us find out together. Ooh, it's so cute. I knew she was going to be doing something with cherries because Lacy loves the cherries. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. This is on here, right? I think so. Hold on. Hold on, Lacy. Okay, wait, I've labeled. Okay, wait. I need a card or something in here. Lacy, is there one? Lacy is a swap expert. So I know that somewhere in here there is a card that has an explanation. I know it. Hold on, guys. This could be user error because I had other stuff in here and I don't know. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Okay, I see a card here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, but this is not part of this. Okay. This was such a fun swap. There is a note with all the info on the swap. The red box is a little poorly, but it serves its purpose. I know I have more stuff for you. But girl, I cannot find it for life of me. Hope you like it all. Okay, all right. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's a note with all the info on the swap. All right. Here we go. Oh my gosh, this is other stuff, guys. Unrelated. Okay. Lacy, me and Lacy are always we always have stuff for each other back and forth. Okay, here we go. All right, so let me open this. I don't know what this is, but let me open it, please. It's so cute. Look, she made it. Oh my goodness gracious. You guys! Look how cute it spins. This girl I have been wanting to make this forever. Look at this cutesy thing. This is the Scrap Diva organizer. Look how stinking cute it is. This is Lacy, you guys. She's the Cheeky Bum 1 on YouTube and the Cheeky Bum on Instagram. Oh my goodness. Look how adorable this is. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I have been wanting to make this and have not done it. This is so cute. You guys, look, you can hold your craft stuff in this. I love this. I love where crafting and organization meet. I love that. So give me a die that does some organizing, and it is for me. Let's see. I don't know if this is a part of the swap, you guys. It might not be, but we're just going to open it because why not? Why not? It's something, but I don't know what it is. It's a sugar cookie. Ooh, candle. Hold on. There's a candle in here. You guys, it's in the shape of a house. Me and Lacy love houses. I love houses. Lacy also loves. I don't know. It's just something about something in the shape of a house or like a store or like a townhouse, a building, anything, any kind of residence or store. Wait, I want to open this. And it smells like sugar cookies, it says. Let us open this together. Look how cute this is. You guys, look how adorable. Look at this house. It has the windows. I wasn't sure if it had the windows because the windows are on here. Look how cute. Hold on, let me smell it. Look at this. It smells like sugar cookies is right. But not like overbearing. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Okay, that's going on my desk. Immediately it's going on my desk. Lacy, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Okay, let us look how she made a box and put stuff on it. Okay, my favorite things. I love cherries. I use Graphic 45's Life's a Bowl of Cherries. I have labeled all of the embellishment packages. I also have other dies I use in the back. Hope you love everything, Lacy. Oh my gosh, look at this girl. Look what she did. Everything she used, she didn't just tell you what it is. The girl put a QR code, probably to a tutorial that she made, or Or maybe this is her that somebody made. That is like top-notch crafting here, Lacy. This is top-tier crafting. Okay, so this is the Scrap Diva 3D carousel tray. And then we'll talk about the other things later. Okay, let's get into here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Please. And she went back to the glassine bag with paper so that it's a little more sturdy, with cherry paper, of course. And it says, "You are the cherry on top." Oh my goodness, and look. It's like a little card, like a shaped card. You actually could stand it up too. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, Lacy. These, I love like the red with the blue. So pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. And look, it has her little maker's mark that she made. So cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get into this because already we're starting off strong, Lacy. We're starting off very strong. Okay, so let's move that to the side. All right. So we have this guy. I'm just going to take everything out because why not? Why not? Oh my gosh, her and her mini Pokeballs. Oh my gosh, whoever gets this swap is just going to be so happy. Okay, hold on. Hold on. This girl, let me tell you who can run with the theme, that Lacy. Okay, you guys, cherry everything. All cherry everything, okay? Cherry everything. Just be prepared for cherry everything. Okay, let us see what is inside of here. Look at this cherry bag, first of all, adorable. Second of all, I already know this is cherried out, cherry pie scented. Where did you even find this? And look how she put, she added, oh my gosh, she added cherries and like a little dangle to this. Why is this the cutest thing ever? Why is this the cutest thing ever? Someone tell me, please. Why? And it has the little wrapper. Oh, it came out of this. So cute, Lacy. Oh my goodness. So here's your a little treat for you, just a just because gift. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is okay. So this is a nail file holder. Look how cute this is. Lacy probably meant to put a nail file in here, a cherry one. It might be floating around here somewhere, or maybe it's in one of these. But look how cute this is. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Did you put glossy accents on this? Like, why is this so shiny and pretty? And look how she inked the edges. This paper is very, very, very pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this so much, Lacy. Oh my gosh. Look at all of the glassine cherry wrapping. So cute. Mine would have just been in a regular old plastic thing. Because I know they had or maybe this was in here. You know what? This might have been in here, guys. Maybe I messed it up. Hold on, let me fix it. Okay, look. Here we go. Look how cute. Look how cute that is. There you go. And you got these. Oh, I'm jealous. I've seen a lot of people hauling these. They're so cute. They are so adorable. They're like little cherry drink stirrers, but you can use them to make like little flags. They are so cute. They're even cuter in person. I might have to order these. I wasn't going to because I'm like, Lisa, do you need them? Ooh, and they're double-sided, you guys. Ooh, these are so cute. Yet I'm sure these go in here because she would not have sent it blank. Lacy is a professional. Okay, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, adorable. Okay, this is one of my favorites. So this is one of her favorite dies. This is the Scrap Diva banner. I'm sure it's on here. I'm sure it is on here. And it is so stinking cute. I love this die so much. And look how she put a little cherry on here and a little bow. Like, why so cute, Lacy? And look at this little bag topper. Adorable. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then look at this little sweet cherries bag topper. Look at these little cherries on the side. These are so cute. And even look at the top. It says cherry sweet. And then she has this mesh on here. And then she's like done so much. She's like inked all of the edges of here. Wow. It's so funny. I love this swap because I love seeing, because I mean, I've seen a lot of like Lacy's creations, but I love seeing, look at this. She's not playing around. This girl is not playing. On the back, it shows you what everything is, okay? You have a QR code so that if you want to go and buy this, make this, whatever, you have it. Lacy is not playing. Okay, she's not playing. But I love seeing this because I don't always, like she does, I don't always get to see her do like Graphic 45. And I love that she chose a collection that she loved. That's what I love about this swap so very much because, you know, you have to wait for a cherry thing. Look how she put little cherries in here. This is so cute. She used this adorable bag topper and she like put this on foam so it's dimensional. I don't think I can open this. No. But look how cute. Look how cute. This is adorable. I love this little cherry. I just saw someone haul this and they were sad because it only came with one. And then look at this little dangle that she put on the side. This is one of her little mini Poke Tools, and these are gold. They're so cute. She made me one before and they're adorable and they work great. They work really great. So cute. I love the blue bag. It's just so good. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, look. This is a word ribbon die. Okay, if you want it from Temu, you can. There you go, everyone. Okay, not just, you know, Lacy, you're just something else, because not just the person who gets this. You too can use your phone and scan this QR code and get this. Oh my gosh, girl, this is next level. This is what people are gonna start doing. This, you have started a trend. Okay, it's like just print the little QR code on the back, so everybody can know where they can buy it from. Because are we all like, can you tell me where you get that? This is what happens when you host a lot of swaps. Lacy is a professional, okay, guys? She has my favorite little flower right here. She has these little stamps. Oh my gosh, so cute. It says cherries. Why? She has a little floral mesh. She inks around these edges in red. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, so good. So good. I love. And then, oh my gosh, these are my favorite too. Look, she even shows you how to use these. She made these little ribbon, and this is the Scrap Diva wavy tag set. Okay, she made it easy for me. She inks all the edges around here in red. She put this really pretty paper ruffle right here, this cherry sweet, this little bow. She even like drew some of those white lines on there because she is a professional. And she has like, this one has some gold behind it. This one has the red behind it. Can I open this? Oh yeah, I can. Okay, this one I can open. Okay, so I got scared because I want to show you guys the back one. I want to show you this one in the back. Look how cute these are. Look at this. They're different. So this one doesn't have the paper ruffle. It has this behind it. And then she put this big cherry right here. This is so cute. This paper is kind of shimmery. So good. I love how you inked the edges on all of these. It just makes it look so much nicer. And then she even showed you what to do with these little cutesy sticks. This is literally the perfect application of them. And I don't know if I would have used this wavy banner. I probably would have used, look how she did the back. I probably would use like the, you know, that one. I love that you use this one because this one is so cute. Much cuter than that one, I think. In my humble opinion. So cute, Lacy. Okay. So put that in here and put this one back in here like this. I feel like we need to look at the award ribbons up close also, guys. I think we do. I think so, because there was probably more stuff that I couldn't see. I forgot that I could like open the back. It's because I couldn't open the little Poke Tool. It threw me off. It threw me off. It scared me. It scared me because I think the back one of this one might look different too. Who knows? We can't tell because we can't see. Look. Nope, they look the same. They're both so stinking cute. I love this little, like, she put like something here, like I think it's glossy accents just to make it shine right there. So pretty. And look at this tiny little flower. Oh my gosh. Adorable Lacy. So cute. Okay. That one goes in there and this one goes in here. So pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, wait. Go on the top. Okay, I want it to be perfect so that the person can get it perfect. They can get it back perfectly. And then in here, we got something that's heavy. Oh, I saw where it's from, but I don't see what it is yet. Oh my gosh. Could you find a more perfect? I'm like, girl, did you paint this? Because why does it match the collection perfectly? Did you paint this? Because Lacy is like real, super mega next level crafty, guys. Because how could this be so perfect? Is that possible? No, I think it came like this because this girl would paint this stuff, but this is in the shape of a cherry. So this must have come like this. This is so cute. This is from 2021. Wow. It's almost like she's been waiting for the opportunity to use this. She has been collecting over time. This is adorable. And like, how could it match so perfectly? That is so cute, Lacy. Oh my gosh. So cute. This is so cute too. Man, I wish I would have went to Hobby Lobby in 2021. That's adorable. I love it. So cute. And then we have our little cherry jelly mask over there. That is for some self-care. We love self-care. I know for a lot of us, we use crafting as self-care. But we have this little jelly mask here. And then these are cherry dots. I love. These are cherry stickers from Hobby Lobby. So this must be one of her favorite crafting items, which is like maybe these blingy stickers. Also, I know she had to include this as one of her tools because this girl, so she gave you more than one tool, and I knew she was going to do this because this is true to Lacy. This is one of her favorite tools of all time. Okay, I said no Dollar Tree stuff, so she was like, I'm just going to sneak it in there, but it's not going to be like my real tool. It's just an extra because this is one of her favorite things. She is always buying them every time she goes to Dollar Tree. And then she loves this little ruler here, and then this is a Teflon bone folder, which honestly, if you're crafting and you're like, okay, I'm going to be like a crafter for real, you need a Teflon bone folder because the plastic ones, they're okay, but the Teflon ones are amazing. And then this little ruler, which is so cute. So she gave you 3 crafting tools instead of just 1. And then we have this cutesy journal right here. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's like fluffy and it has cherries and strawberries on the inside. So this is your pretty notebook. This is a pretty notebook I love. And then look here, we have something under here. Oh, that's the card, right? So I think that we have covered everything here. Lacy, thank you so very much for joining and for sharing this beautiful collection with all of us, for sharing all of the these like QR codes so we can all just rush and go buy all the things. You are so sweet, and thank you so much again. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you comment and like and subscribe and give Lacy some crafty love in the comments. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.